Hello, good morning everyone. Today we will talk in English how to can improve your English. Good morning, others.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am fine and
Fine. It is field today.
nice.
Nice. Okay. Yes. Okay. In about your school.
Hello, good morning, everyone. This is Adarsh Meher, and I am standing on podium for my presentation. But before saying anything, I would like to great thanks of respected sir who has given me this golden chance to speak in front of you. I told my name is Adarsh Meher. My education qualification in 8th class, Saraswati Vidya Mandir Inter College, Chennai Resort. Presently, I am doing English class, Mr. Nitesh Kohli tuition point. Mm, My strength is my family. There are 11 member in my family. First is my father. Second, he is government job. Second is my mother. She is good homemaker. We are three siblings. I have two younger brothers. Mm,
That's all.
And now about my hobbies, playing, readings. I want to become NDA officers. That's all about myself. Thank you. Have a nice day.
My topic about
My topic about
our
our schools. My school's name is Saraswati Vidya Mandir Inter College in Elisod. My school's principal name is Mr. Nathilal Bangwal. My school is many teacher. I read in ninth class in Saraswati Vidya Mandir Inter College in Elisod. My school teach 6th to 12th class, and 12th class only two group, maths group and bio group. My schools is mm, thir- um, 30 teachers, and my schools two playground and one parks and one big prayer halls and many classrooms. Thank you.
So, good morning, Kamantika.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. It is field today.
Nice.
Okay. What is your father's name?
My father name is Mr. Mukesh Notia.
What is your mother's name?
My mother name is Mrs. Benita Notia.
What is your village name?
My village name is Chinyali.
What is your district name?
My district name is Uttarkas.
What is your state name?
My state name is my state name is Uttarakhand.
What is your country name?
My country name is India.
Okay. What topic about Chinyali Shore?
Hello, good morning, everyone. This is Avantika Nautal. I am standing for podium for my presentation. But before saying anything, I would like to great thanks to my respected sir, who has given me a golden chance to speak in front to you. I told my name is Avantika Nautal. Now let me about my education qualification. 7th class Saraswati Vidya Mandir, and presently I am doing English class, Mr. Nitesh Kohli tuition point. And the aim of my life, successful person please in my life. There who we are two sibling, I have one brother. That's all about myself. Thank
About my topic.
my topic. Chinyali Sod. Chinyali Sod is a very wonderful state city. There are many school in Chinyali Sod, and Chinyali Sod, Saraswati Vidya Mandir. Example: Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Saraswati Sisu Mandir, Girls
Yes, yes.
College, etc. There are also an
Helipad.
helipad,
Chinyali
and
Shore.
and many people come from for
Chinyali Shore.
and build for education,
Health.
health,
Fertility.
fertilities.
In
There
Chinyali
is
Shore.
in Chinyalsor, there is beautiful environment
Environment.
around Chinyalsor. There is a bridge, example bridge, the
Arts.
example arts bridge example. Na- there are many temples in Chinyalisod. Example,
Nagaraja.
Nagaraja Mandir, Chinyali Gaon, and Devi Mandir Temple, etc. That's all about
My topic.
my topic.
Thank you
Thank you
very much.
very much. Have a good day.
Okay, yes, clapping. हेलो. ठीक है. Good morning, Rashi.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, and you?
Fine. Okay. Yes. Introduction yourself.
Hello, good morning, everyone. I am going to introduce myself. My name is Rashi Ramola, and I am from Chinyalisod, Uttarkashi. I read in 7th class in Angels Academy. I am 13 year old now. What my hobby is playing, reading, dancing, use phone, etc. I won't become doctor in my life. My strength is my family. There are 7 members in my family. First is my father, he is chef. Second is my mother, she is good housewife. We are 3 siblings. I have one elder brother and one elder sister. That's all about myself. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.
Okay. Yes. Hello. Good morning, Nandini.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, and you?
Fine. Okay. Thank you. It is field today.
Nice.
Okay. What's your father name?
Mr. Anand Chandramola.
What's your mother name?
Mrs. Kavita Ramola.
Okay. Introduction yourself.
Good morning, everyone. I am going to introduce myself. My name is Nandi Ramola and I am 12 years old. Now about my hobbies. My hobbies is playing, dancing, reading, etc. I want to become doctor in my life. My strength in my family. Now about my family. There are 7 members in my family. First is my father. He is chef. Second is my mother. She is good homemaker. We are 3 siblings. I have one elder brother and one elder sister. That's all about myself. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.